So let's see now how to face the MEP clashes problem, which is a very frequent problem for MEP designers. And well, let's see this case. We have a lot of systems between a ceiling and the floor. We have round ducts, trays, many trays. We have rectangular ducts and pipes of any uh, size, diameter, and slope. So in this case, the very first thing to do is locate and identify the clashing elements. So in order to do that, we can use this command I just created. I place them in a tab in a tab I created, and I place in these two commands. The first one, as I said, allows to locate the to identify the clashing elements and temporarily hide the ones not clashing, the ones that don't need to be fixed. So I just need to push this button, and some of them are hidden. The ones not hidden are the ones that need to be fixed. So in order to do this, I can use the other command that finds a solution for the clashing pipes. So once I activate it, I select the pipe, and the first clash is fixed. I keep pressing on it, and the second one is fixed. If I keep doing, I fix any clashes. So it allows to avoid even the hidden elements. So these elements are not clashing anymore. Indeed, if I go back to the first command that I activated, these ones will be hidden because they are not clashing anymore. In my opinion, these two commands they are really helpful. They're great tools for the MEP design.